Well, it is not what you want to see in the middle of a pandemic. Flights packed with travelers.
KPIX 5's Betty Yu was at SFO with the airline that's shelving social distancing, and they are just filling that middle seat.
After first capping the number of people on its planes in April amid the pandemic, American Airlines is now ditching its effort to promote social distancing on its planes. Starting July 1st, as more people travel, American Airlines will start booking flights to capacity. It will also ask customers to certify that they've been free of COVID-19 symptoms for the previous 14 days.
I'm an executive platinum flyer with American Airlines, but candidly, something like this just doesn't want to make me fly with them. I'd rather look for safer alternatives to get home.
Every little bit helps. So if they're trying to cut back on safety, I don't know. I think that's not a good thing.
American joins United in this move. Delta, JetBlue, and Southwest are still blocking middle seats or limiting the number of seats for sale. Clint Henderson is senior news editor with The Points Guy.
Airlines can't really be profitable if they're not selling all their seats. It's kind of surprising how quickly it happened. Like, we thought maybe the fall and winter is when we'd see the airlines stop social distancing.
United just unveiled new cleaning protocols as part of its effort to fight the spread of COVID-19. American also touts extensive cleaning measures. The change in booking policy comes as dozens of states have reported a jump in cases from just 2 weeks ago.
These are places that opened while they were still increasing. To open while you're increasing is kind of like leaning into a left hook. You're going to get hit.
American says it will fly about half of its domestic schedule and nearly 20% of international in July compared with a year earlier.
You know, airplanes are just a place where we're going to have to be extraordinarily cautious, but that it's not really practical to properly social distance.
American Airlines says that it will allow customers to move to more open flights when available at no cost. At SFO, Betty Yu, KPIX 5.